Okay. 2 CME gaps, just one a bit higher and the other one below. So what I'm basically looking at, I'm looking for a little bit lower prices now, actually. Still bullish, but I'll show you this. On my Twitter, I shared it on the 22nd of April. Just before we came back into this previous range, I was looking for the point of control to the middle of the range. Point of control, rejection, retest the low of the range and continue to the upside, or just crash. This is what I was looking for, and we got it. And that's the point of control. Retest, continue to the upside. Yeah, the plan remains the same. There's not much has changed. It would, if we continue to the upside, is pretty simple. My plan is to look for higher prices until September, October. However, if we make this nice ABC, I would expect us to pump through this level for the impulse wave 3. But if it doesn't happen and we just fail, well, it's the bear market, it's over. Or there's still a chance that we made this nice ABC, ABC, ABC. Probably they would probably class it as WXY or something like that. I'm not sure. I make it simple. I'm trying to make it simple here. If we get above this level, it would be long for me. So I'm in a long. I'm in this long. Looking for higher. What happens if we continue to the upside? Nothing. I'm just gonna continue staying in my longs. There's not much. I'm not gonna do really any changes here. I'm not gonna look for any lower prices. What happens if we make this nice ABC? I would be looking a little bit more careful here, looking to sell if we get below this wave A. So when we have something like that, I don't want to get below that level here. For me, that would be a correction. That would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know. So I don't really want to stay in this trade if we make this corrective move. I would probably be looking to close the position. What happens if we just crash? Now nothing. I'm gonna be stopped out. I'm not taking any profits here because this is not my target. The target is new all-time highs. Okay. I'm playing spot. If I was playing perps or futures, it would be wise to take 75% or 50% of the trade at this level here. We are at 618. What's happening here? We are at 618. Hey, 618. Okay, this is a resistance. This should be my take profit level here. Playing the high time frame with my spot, I'm not taking any chips off the table. I'm gonna continue down. Invalidation is clear. Getting back below these levels here, I would lose all my gains, but that's what I play. Again, this is a small account on BYBIT where you see my long trade. The entry is same as on my spot. This is the entry. I should be taking profits out here. I'm not gonna do that because this is really a small account. This is only $100. Well, it was $100. It's $154 now. this trade is giving me 50% up, but I don't think I can take, the account is too small. I don't think I can take partial profits on BYBIT. It's just too small. I'm not sure if I can take the profits off the table. So we're just gonna leave it. I'm gonna play the big time frame. I'm not sure yet. I'm either gonna play the same as I play on spot on this account, or I'm gonna play trend line to trend line. As you can see here, trend line to trend line and ABC. If I was to play trend line to trend line, I should be taking profits here, but as I said again, I'm not sure I can take partials, and the account is too small. I should be taking my profits here because we just broke this trend line, yeah? I'm gonna leave it for now. It's too small for me to worry about. And the lower time frame, there's not much here. I would expect new lower prices to come because we had a huge move to the upside. What was it? Over 30%. Should be taking profits. Let's go into 45-minute time frame. Still making higher highs and higher lows. I would expect this though. Probably New York Open. That would be a nice ABC, but I'm not gonna play that one. I'm not interested in low time frame setups. But this would be the setup. Grab all the liquidity, continue to the upside. That would be bullish. I think though we can come a little bit lower the next few days and the next week, this week, to retest this value area low. Retest this. This would be a long for me. Do not get lower than that. If we get lower than that, I'm a bit more cautious. That is the plan for our time frame. As you can see, I've marked my range. This is my range. We are back into the range. Anytime we get back into the range, you look for the point of control, rejection, retest value area low, and you would expect to retest the value area high, yeah? This is the value area high. Full rotation to the upside. And then fail here and get back. Basically, swing failed the highs maybe, don't even do that, or failed auction, whatever they call it. It doesn't really matter, but the idea is you get back to the top of the range and you fail. So basically you drop, or you reclaim the top of the range and you continue to the upside, just to make it simple. So this is range 1. This is range 2. You can see bounce, resistance. I took my long here. Point of control, so middle of this range, you can clearly see, yeah? Rejection, back into the range. Reclaim into the old range. Delete this. Delete this. Back into the old range. Retest this range. Try and go up. If we fail, it's clear as day to me. We shouldn't be here. Drop. Trying to make it really, really simple for you guys. Anyone that watching. So both of those two CME gaps. Right, I want to make this one a little bit bigger. Again, if I'm not sure yet, I might take the hedge position. I don't want to close my longs because I'm not interested in closing my longs here. I'm looking for new all-time highs, but just in case, I might take a short position somewhere here. So keep the long open and have a short open just in case we continue down. We leave this one for now. What do we have here? Yeah, we're gonna get down. I'm pretty sure we're gonna continue a little bit lower this week. If we zoom out a little bit, still holding the higher highs and lows. I would like the CVD to go down. So a lot of people shorting on this drop. So I would expect a drop here. Let me show you on this. I would expect people shorting, but then sort of something like that, yeah. I would like to see the CVD go down, people shorting. Okay, there's nothing else here. Yeah, same on this one here. You see this CVD line up here at the top? That's not really bullish. So this is a little bit bearish. That means we are a local top. I would like to see this gray CVD line going down as much as possible, but the price still holding the support, you know, the price still holding up here in this region, so that all the shorts coming in, but we continue to the upside. So this is basically in simple words trying to tell you that I'm looking for more shorts to come in, and but the price to continue to the upside. But you can see the liquidations being hit. This is people getting liquidated, wrecked. Those bigger dots, the more liquidations coming in on the move down. That means a lot of longs opening lately into this resistance, into point of control, into 618. So those longs to be punished, you know. Again, we should be looking for a little bit lower. Not as low as this point here. People thinking, oh, they're gonna get in on the retracement. I don't think it's gonna come. I don't really think the market's gonna give this retracement. I'd say little ABC, small ABC would be ideal. I would say this as wave 1, 2, 3, or 1A, B, C. How do we know now? We don't know. No one knows. The market's gonna show what it wants to do. If we are bullish, we're gonna continue to the upside with the impulse to the upside. Maybe even make some ending diagonal. That would be ideal. So basically make something like that. This is only a guessing now, you know. And then change this market structure. That would be ideal for me, for my game. But it doesn't have to happen, you know. It could just crash now, really. It could crash, it could reclaim, continue to the upside, it could continue to the downside. You never know. Ending diagonal, where was it? Yeah, this one here. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ending diagonal. You get ending diagonal usually the end of the bull market, wave 5. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It shows ending diagonal being formed in the wave 5 itself. But I'm just thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically, where I show you here. Clear this up. Clear this up. I would say something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm not sure if this is correct according to Elliott wave. Extended fifths, maybe something a little bit different. It's something like all right, let me make this one clear. 1, 1, 2. This is wave 3, 4, and then an ending diagonal, maybe. Don't know. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ABC 1, ABC 2, ABC 1, ABC 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change market structure. Maybe, just maybe. I'm just guessing, yeah. This doesn't have to happen. Something like that. Is it possible? I don't know. I would like to see this though. That would be ideal for me. Get this one a little bit lower into 618. A little bit lower into 618. Too lower, is it? Something like that. I don't know. It's just a guessing anyways. It's too early to say. That would be ideal. Is it gonna happen? We don't know. No one knows really. As long as this trend line holds, I'm looking for higher. I know we might have 5 waves up. Just make it simple. I like trend lines. And I said before, I will repeat, wave 2 and wave 4 usually breaks the trend line. On Bitcoin, especially on Bitcoin. Bitcoin likes a lot of fake outs. And wave 2, 1, 2, broke the trend line. I think this was 4, but fuck knows, maybe this is 4. I don't know what's that then. I don't know. It must be 4. Whatever this is, I can clearly see this as a fake out for now. I can clearly see this as fake out. Just to make... Okay. Fake out. So I don't know what that is. It did hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should not get below wave 2, which is here. So maybe this was 1, 2, 3, 4 of this. This is wave 5. We are in wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what's happening here. Maybe it's this ending diagonal. I don't know. All I care and all I know is as long as we hold this trend line, I'm bullish. Let me delete these. As long as we hold this trend line, I am bullish. This is bullish for me. Holding, retesting previous highs as support. This is bullish. What's not bullish is getting below this. I know it could still be ABC, but I would be really, really careful because what usually happens at the top of the move, you continue up, retracement, up, market structure change, down to the support, retested, nice retest, continue up into resistance, and then that's it. Down below this level, I should be looking to close my position and look for much lower, which still good news because we can buy cheaper. But I would just like for this last pump to the upside to 160, 70k. That's all I need till September. Just till September. It's more like talking about time, not about price, whatever the price, but I would be looking for the September, October date. Other than that, that's it. Yeah, if we fail, we know we're gonna get a little bounce here, probably deep retracement, almost to the new lows, but somewhere here, 786, bounce into this level here, reject, continue down into this support here. If we continue to the upside now and then fail for the bear markets, we would be looking for this. You know, there's a chance we're gonna grab this liquidity and reverse. So it's a bit, it's way too early anyways. Yeah, that's it for today. Looking for a little bit lower prices. This just doesn't look right. It's just, it could go to the upside. It could go to the upside, but look at it. It's just weak. It doesn't look too strong. Maybe a little bit up for the New York Open. It should, if we want to change market structure, we should be above this level here. Above 96k anyway, so I don't think we're gonna get there now. We're gonna go down, I think. A little bit lower. Yeah. Too long of a video today, but it's nothing here, not much. 45-minute time frame. I don't really like to play lower time frames. It's just waste of time. I'm trying to zoom out now to the daily. I was trading 4-hour time frames. Now I'm trying to zoom out to the daily, and then as soon as the bear market hits, I will, on my main account, I will be playing cycles. I will be playing cycles, and then smaller accounts. Smaller accounts will probably do like daily or 4-hour time frames. Yeah, that's it for today. Anyways, guys, just a small update. Yeah, check this again. Yeah, point of control. Yeah, we need to retest this level. You know, we have to retest it to see if this is still support, and then try again. Get to this value area high. Get to this level here. Get a little bit above, but not to the new highs, and then see if we can continue, or make something like that and continue, or maybe retest point of control. Yeah, and then continue. I don't want that really. I just want little retracements and continue if we are bullish. It's too early to say. It's too early to say. What I can say though, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, look, RSI is almost at the lows, yeah? RSI is coming down all the way down to support. Yeah, the price is still continuing to the upside. Okay? So this is resetting basically itself. So people are shorting, money is coming out. This is hidden bullish divergences. So we're gonna get to the support here. Probably something like that. And then see if we make another divergence here. High on the price, low on the RSI. and maybe rejects or something. It's too early to say. All right, 4 hour. Yeah, no, I'm zooming out now to daily time frames. I'm not really interested in all this nonsense. Same here. Range. We couldn't take the highs. Lows, lows, and then we take the highs. We do not stop here, continue to the upside. Right then, that's it for today. I'm out.